Welcome to J8 SOFTECH. Let us discuss about ACP ABAP question and answer. Explain the advantages of the modularization technique. Modularization is breaking the application code into the smaller parts so that maintenance will be earlier. Consider an example where you want to implement the same logic like the addition of two numbers in multiple parts of the same program. Then put the logic within a modularization unit, and this modularization unit can be called wherever you want to add two numbers. Advantage of modularization techniques are modularization will eliminate redundancy if the program is having similar statement blocks or it needs to process the same function multiple times. Thus, it increases the code reliability. Using this modularization technique, we can make the program easier to read the improve the program structure. Modularized programs will be earlier to maintain, update and debug. Thank you for watching.